Hey guys, Cam here from the fish room, and today we're checking out Butterfly Forest. So I'm here at the butterfly house. It's incredibly warm in here, so my glasses have completely fogged up, so I'm going without glasses. It's absolutely intense and it's really, really cool. That's a really big tropical pond. According to the signs, silver dollars, Oscars, giant gouramis, red belly pacus, pink tail chalceus, and red fin cigar sharks. Oop, that doesn't go that way. Stack of electric yellows, Aratus. Big ass plico. This is obviously a tropical pond as well. Looks like guppy fry. Plico eating some flake, a look of it. Guppy fry everywhere. It's just the magnitude of how big it is. It's fairly large. That's the pond the electric yellows are in. Pretty cool bird, don't know what it is, other than it's green with a red beak. Probably less than a metre away from it, so it's fairly tame. There's another bird up there. See, my main interest is the fish and the aquatic stuff, but this place is really, really cool. There are some amazing butterflies, even some cool birds. Oh man, look at the size of gourami. Hold on. I just spotted that gourami before. It's impressive. Coming up to say hello, getting a breath of air. And under he goes. So like I say, my main interest is obviously the fish here, but this place is absolutely fantastic. It's $15 entry and I think it's $15 well worth it. It's very hot in here, so bear that in mind. I'll give you a wee pan around. It's just a tropical wonderland, to be honest. It's bloody awesome. Creature on the way in. It's not big, but it's bloody cool. It's very, very tranquil. A few seats sort of placed around for you to sit and enjoy it. A few carnivorous plants. Always cool. It's hot enough in here. You'll be loving it. Beautiful plants. Not much of a plant guy, but man, they're nice. Looks to be a fairly large peace lily, or commonly known in the aquarium trade as a Barino sword. Not a true aquatic, but they get sold like that anyway. That's what they should look like. The size of flowering on them. It's very cool. Butterflies are harder to record than what fish are. I feel like I need to talk quietly because it's so tranquil and surreal in here. Green bird still there. I haven't spotted the Oscar yet. Some really nice flowers. Don't know if this video is going to do it justice. Believe it or not, I even really like the duckweed that's down there. Sort of continues this scene. It's beautiful. So I actually drove from Napier to come here. It's about 4 hours roughly. 4 hours well spent, to be honest. This place is really cool. If you're ever in Thames or however you put it in the North Island of New Zealand, up towards the top, I suggest coming in, having a look and checking it out and taking your time. I got in 15 minutes for closing time, but it's 15 minutes has flown by. It's beautiful, it's brilliant. Another beautiful plant. Butterflies everywhere, funnily enough. the other end of the pond. Big gourami again. Very, very cool place. Yep, 30.5 degrees air temperature. Not sure if that says 47% humidity or not. About 30.5 degrees. And you can feel every one of them. So there you go, guys. Butterfly Forest. That place was really cool, and I highly recommend checking it out if you're anywhere near the vicinity of it. Even a couple hours drive is well worth it. It's brilliant. Also, this region of New Zealand, it's the first time I've been here, it's also pretty cool as well. So if you haven't been here, check it out. So now we are driving off to Tauranga. So the next video will be us chatting to a guy who is all about New Zealand local marine stuff, which is pretty cool. He's got a fairly impressive beard, which is also awesome. I think I'm going to have to tally up the amount of Ks that I've done over this trip. I've still got a few days to go, and it feels like I've already done a ludicrous amount, but we'll see how we go. But until the next time, catch you later, happy fish keeping, and have a good one.